Hey everyone, I'm Robert, this is Han, and we are LastRev, and we make design review easy. This is Dave. Dave's a designer who works with many clients, and he's just delivered some designs for review to his client using an email like this, where he's attached a bunch of design files. He typically gets feedback from his clients in a gigantic doc like this, where they jot down a bunch of notes, and he has to have and toggle back and forth between the design asset and the notes and try to figure out which notes belong to which elements on the design. It's a huge pain for him. And even worse, he tries to keep track of all this in a gigantic spreadsheet like this. But luckily, he just found out about LastRev. So in LastRev, he adds a project by clicking Add Project, and he's going to give it a name. He's been doing a design project for the Yahoo logo redesign. So he creates a project, and he brings in the files from Dropbox. He selects the files from his Dropbox and clicks Choose. And just like that, he's just brought in an entire project with 30 designs with just a few clicks. So he's working on day 30's design. He's going to see what people have left comments on. And it looks like there's been some comments already, like from David Karp of Tumblr and now Yahoo. He has some comments about the logo still looking kind of like 90s style and how you got to lose some vowels to be like Tumblr. Marissa actually left a comment. And she's pissed at Dave. Dave, how did you miss the exclamation mark? Have you been working from home again? So Dave's in trouble. He's got to fix this. He's got to make a quick fix. He uses Fireworks, which is his favorite program. So he goes to Fireworks to make this quick change. He adds back the exclamation mark, saves the file, and now he's got to get this back into LastRev so that Marissa can review it. This is really simple to do. At the top, he sees that the Dropbox icon is lit up, meaning LastRev has detected a change that's ready to pull in. So he clicks that icon, it gives him a preview of the change, he clicks Submit. And with no downloads or additional plugins, he's pulled in a new revision just like that. And he can see revision 1 and compare that to revision 2 with just a few clicks. He's also been working on some other projects, like this one with Facebook. So he goes into the profile page design that he's been working on. And there's some comments already. This one about WhatsApp. Sean Parker has some words of wisdom. You know, $1 billion ain't cool anymore. And Kevin Systrom has some words as well. And that's OK. Designer Dave has made a feature for Brian Acton, the founder of WhatsApp. And he highlights that feature and leaves Brian a note saying, I added this just for you. And he mentions Brian by typing @Brian. So Brian Acton of WhatsApp obviously is very busy because of the acquisition. He can't get to his laptop, so he pulls out his mobile phone. He checks his email, and he sees there's a message from LastRev. And not only does it give the text comment that Dave just left him, but when he scrolls down, it gives him a screenshot of exactly what Dave made a comment about. So he doesn't even have to go into his browser to look at the comment, and he can reply and it goes back. So this makes collaboration super easy, even on the go. And remember that gigantic spreadsheet Dave had to manage all these issues? That's taken care of for him as well. All the issues are on the designs page, where he can get an at-a-glance view of all the open issues for this project. His team happens to use Pivotal Tracker, so that's no problem. He can simply export this directly to Pivotal by choosing the project and clicking Confirm. And now he can see this issue as a story in Pivotal Tracker. This makes it very easy for him to collaborate with his team. So Dave no longer has to worry about opening up an email, an attachment, a PSD file, PDF file, PNG file, Google spreadsheet, and all of that. Everything is taken care of in this one page. He has designs here, revisions, comments, issues. And we think that all these improvements make the lives not only better for designers like Dave, but also for his clients, because it lets them focus on what they love doing, which is building and shipping great products, rather than on managing process. And today, we're opening up our beta for LastRev. So if you would like to use LastRev for your next design project, you can sign up right now at lastrev.com. And we'd love to hear your comments and questions. You can email us at team@lastrev.com or get us via Twitter at LastRevApp. Thanks.
2 demos in a row with Yahoo. Apparently, they're relevant again.
Yeah.
In the tech scene.
Examples matter. What do you guys think?
Beautiful design, very well done, nice features, technical features.